Should be easy, right? He sent a blurry picture from the front seat of his truck. Said the old one broke and now the whole thing's stuck. No drawing, no dimensions, just a quarter for scale. And a text that said, buddy, I need this without fail. He said it's just a little bracket, just a little plate, just a tiny piece of metal, shouldn't take you late. I stared into the photo like a cold dark sea, and the photo stared back and it laughed at me. There's a hole that might be threaded, there's an edge that might be bent, there's a radius from somewhere and a tolerance he meant. It's a $40 part with a $500 shadow. 10-minute job if you don't count tomorrow. Tiny little thing, big old bag of sorrow. $40 part with a $500 shadow. First I gotta model it from half a memory. Then I gotta guess what the last guy thought he'd need. Then I gotta buy the stock, square it up, make a plan. Find a cutter that survived the last emergency man. Then it's cat and cam and holding it flat. Then the first one walks cause the clamp did that. Then a bird finds a finger and the phone rings twice, and the quote gets weird when you do it right. There's a setup and the cleanup, there's the emails in between. There's a part nobody sees inside the part they think they've seen. It's a $40 part with a $500 shadow. A 10-minute job if you don't count tomorrow. Tiny little thing, big old bag of sorrow. $40 part with a $500 shadow. He said I found one online and it's only 12 bucks. I said that's great news, man, best of luck. He said yeah, but that one doesn't fit quite right. I said that's my whole invoice in a sentence tonight. He said could you make it cheaper if I ordered 3? I said not if all 3 are mysteries. He said I don't need perfect, I just need strong. That's how every bad job starts going wrong. It's a $40 part with a $500 shadow. A 10-minute job if you don't count tomorrow. Tiny little thing, big old bag of sorrow. $40 part with a $500 shadow. Should be easy, that's what scares me. Should be simple, that's the trap. Should be quick, that's the invoice with his boots up taking a nap. Should be easy, that's what gets me every time I hear that sound. Somewhere in the shop a perfectly good afternoon falls down. Material, tooling, fixturing, deburring, packaging, shipping, revision 1, revision 2. Where did this dimension come from? Why is this hole blue? It's a $40 part with a $500 shadow. A 10-minute job if you don't count tomorrow. Tiny little thing, big old bag of sorrow. $40 part with a $500 shadow. It's a $40 part with a $500 shadow. A quick little favor with a long little echo. Looks like nothing's sitting there in the window. $40 part with a $500 shadow. He picked it up Tuesday and said it looked great. Then asked if I could change it while he waits. Should be easy, right? Should be easy, right?